ono eye district chief imam ewo second D eye alasuna muslim ene sogai chief wangaru ya wano watoso miensa the third ano no nasam era making chief habib ahaji soja wano no wade etudwa no kire mu sa enwumasu anhyehyeye enei wo kire mu sa wodi ho ya papa na opanyin no ekire mu a enwumasu ya Ghana nkwada ene mabunu eye youth no esua no emwa mabunu no kra obi besua de edi free class 1 wo bedi babasa ena what is matter na what is matter kra de yade wonyina kire sa enya no kra enwo de eye adwuma Kofi wayo besiye wo benyini na wadane professor Muasabunku na midie professor Binimhwe ana chasa yade adenam ho etuapayi no se wasra ban onya ho bibi education ye system no okire mu sa emwa onya sakra bebre enso ewomo na ene Ghana mamra ne amane djubadi ayedi no eno efa ne edi eho djuma yankasa eboa yeman no na ye ton bi nso ewa amahoro eso edo ada afase wo eye kwasimintim enei enopanyi no wade ensemi atudwa
educational sector or boy na borpa century that I want to graduate varsity 1 year afibia over 20,000 when now pay juma wa abano to money juma 20,000 afibia 20,000 brentia wa so de odo wo hombra ejuma ni ho ontwi eturu nkom from comfort not one or nkamu susu ode aban onya adwen maye dey onye ode wo graduate onye vocational varsity maye before the graduate dey enya won san ejuma mp aban ejuma on employment book for but won junu hodam aban on crack so to borehole be 10 on pitch no kuro ya ba so tu sa why down here want to know what you want family so what brain abur yes right o so ra won so nyame odikan na won yetema from ma ehia for was na na erebere one day I want to know ba won de wa tembu ba madam atembu da ya ma fa chewa awa ba tun de erebo Ghana for abur but who is which aba dama so bu ko ja yakupot mo ngwe.
And yes, our story went die out.
Offeni, near woman, Yinani, saying, to me for be a casse. Say, Obidi Woka, me ba, me nana. She said, Odi Ahumbrasia, the baby Sawoka. So one share and a wady mika, one co share. If you be a while, we call die a cano. Not Sabi, a be a unana, yet all don't coni. Onipa kono na etua ye ma yeja unana enya hoamfaso oye free opani ne fari baya asemi nyina a ebaye eye hwan enedify me did say ye NDC for obia nim say F92 constitution ya start here no I think there were ya Green Street your friends reports when more about 5 general history wo mu nyina na yetua ye ma se allowance ye di ma a echetibo ase but NDC any John Dramani Mahama eye nu pefe se nia eba ye ntiamu akọ your friends committee no report no say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ena president ena opese ye ntua ne yere ene ne the vice president Eyere Eka.
That was the report.
That's not the report. Please
Go and read that. Nobody abandoned. No, but you don't speak against my president like that. It's a report. You don't speak against my president like that.
You cannot tell me what to say.
Report. No, I'm not telling you, but you don't lie to Ghanaians.
They don't, please.
Millions of Ghanaians are watching. No, but man, John Dramani Mahama, they say.
Baby.
No, you don't do that.
Listen. NDC any John Dramani Mahama. I said it because as I'm speaking now, NDC was who is their leader? Any John Dramani Mahama.
He's the president.
Yeah. Which president? Gonna do this. And I won't kai. We have only one president. Now, Oye commander in chief Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Obiye ni hobium 2 minu mandatory until 7th January 2025. As a changes by a Benya president Fufro. But as currently, you don't have Sanya Manu Amudada Muhuanim Ghana Afghanians. As a Ghana, we have 2 presidents. What's all this? Openi, the issue ni say Article 71. And Article 71 clause 1. And friends president in a monument any ma ye triano no. And Crawford or more approval a parliament. And I'm a boy. ena 71 clause 2 no so parliament so wo monhihye ena president ena approve. Is that not right? Say sanity. Okay. Openi this your friend saying commission Intiamwa emolument commission, you know. President only to me say but obe ota a word. And also obe ti say bibi and all the bibi be count. And nunti na emma omu wie ye no. Ye di koma e ko die in parliament. And a parliament on the 6th January 2020 and omu pass ye. Ayalo be it say parliament e convergia mu pa the minority mu fi mu na mu si mu stay absent from your friends saying your passer bounding to all the parliamentarians. Opening, let's see this issue. Yes, see article sika yedi ma be it allowance so na say your friends saying yedi man consolidated fund and ye free mu. Yes, see mrebia en chase anameboa enti sa sika no yedi ma first lady o second lady o mran fa ho, including the past your friends say ladies no no na say adia no enkoye enti by virtue say sa sika no ayetua no enkoye no na say sabi enyanka ene ewusia which Ghanaians na say ye sika ene yedi ama.
Well,
now,
coach,
Miba,
coach.
Okay.
Sorry, yeah, I like you, mami.
Miba, this say your man no kwan no ma menchete mu. Anti obe hu say ampa obe Mama Rebecca obe tu su say eye niema ye hihye Efi Rollins bra ye ma. And I say NDC for say there be and funny kwan so. And I say yo sika me ye di tua me kanyina no. Me dia mi wotima mi wa badaye aduane a ensese wo bedi as a first lady ayedi ma me no mafia ba enie eno eboda on integrity ema ono ne atosu mienu nso opani na chese owotima ena ma me no minim no dida when nanado eye parliamentary candidate of your friends say tima party owotima eno ntino of quote osan ye Kristo ni bapa usha Bible any Quran osi numie enka obia obedi sika enye ni dia enti se Ghanaians have accepted say sika yi enye di ensasa ye ma first ladies no ni second ladies and osi matise say dia media ba openi maami aye kasa Mama Rebecca yi woni mother and care a friend saying, I work to Kumasi Hospital.
Madam baby unit.
Could you believe we said, bra, ma menu initiative through ni onwa intervention no. Asante edi tu musa yemfa edinu entu Mama Rebecca unit and also there be mempe ma yemfa entu me. Media me boa ye say your friends say and yedi tu ohima ba ko ewa Asante. These are the woman a ye kasa.
Mate.
Na openi tio. Sika enya wodia. Na unua abetua ka. Me jide say at least asa also ka woman akudimu. Enu de odi sika no bebo. Me hu say ewo your friend said me brother Penny John Dramani mama. Woo kasa John ya mimi nyo. Me ya 10 or ya 10.
I'm sorry, Mr. Be a 10.
And they said that you are no good. But who share ya or 2 years or ni Twitter? Or see on Madodina and Fasicano and man and more china. Na obie ni wa odi tuo ekosi ni sune ya man Sicano. A penny, what your mama tweet is our issue. But to me, no dear. As overboard, say Miami Brapenny. Who has been the president of Republic of Ghana? Ghana for the GDA any to me any share with them. Say Ube Kasawi.
Obana emeye nshese sikano yeji.
But ensase you ensembi say ensembi ese ahinkwa enum kasa. So sanka kwa kubu ahine ka ya media me find say ya be kwa kubu ahine me madamfo. But to the extent say president awu yiri ena onya sa ade yi ama Ghana for so start kawo kudimu kawashikaba fayesika meye so mi agava na mia na wo begyina ho asɛ